Special item. Super torsen. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Crack it open. Oh. So it's naturally already quite stiff to turn. I would say in the region of around having a 12,000 weight oil in there. It's definitely more than the 6, 7, 8. It's high. So there's that static resistance anyway. There's a very slight bit of backlash, but given all the gears that's going through, that has got high machining tolerances, you can feel with only around this much play in the system. Right, so mechanically somehow it can work out which end's getting resistance and essentially start to lock the power towards that side, to the point where if one side's got no resistance, the other side will get all of it. And on some sort of ramp in between those. You've got worm drive gears which join to the output shafts, and then the planetary gears connecting to each other, and they're on both sides. I think it's the sheer amount of gears as well providing a significant proportion of that resistance. So there you have it. That is what a Torsen differential looks like inside. It's beautiful, nice mechanical piece to have if you're into models and machines. Been after one for years, luckily this one came up. I won't be letting it go anytime soon. Super Torsen. Let me know what you think. Have you used one of these? How did you find the results? Is it worth the money? Pretty expensive, or is it just a nicety and a bit of a gimmick?